like them. Drumming on the beat. Serves me out of doing like them.
Hi guys, it came. Excuse my appearance because I went to the post office. I did wet my hair, but I come back, a bra and a shirt on and my sleep shorts. But I went to the post office and it came. Now this is my BeautyLish box. And I got the small one because they sell this once a year. And it happened to be on my birthday every year. So I thought, well, it's kind of like a sign from the gods. I probably ought to get this for my channel. And this is my first one. So I got the $75 one. And it's supposed to be valued up to $150. And they also have an extra large one that's $150 and it's valued up to $300. And then they have a Jeffree Star one and a Wayne Goss one. So I went ahead and got the $75 one because, you know, because BeautyLish really sells top-notch stuff, you know. And so I went ahead, well, I thought I opened it. I thought I cut the tape. Yeah, I did cut the tape. Okay, this is how she comes. But this is my birthday present to me. This is how she comes. And every year they have a different artist doing their paper. And it comes with this little tag. And on one side it says Lucky Bag 2025. And on the other side is your one lucky duck. This bag is handpicked for you with a splash of joy, sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside. Okay, now I do know on this box, over here in the corner, it tells you who did it. And honestly, I can't read it. It just says 12. I can't read it. I can't read it. Maybe one of you guys can. See, it says it right there. Maybe one of you guys can read it. But anyway, so the paper is always a big deal every year. And some people save the paper. Most people save the paper, actually. But this time it's like a cartoon. And you could put it in a poster, or you could put it in separate cut it and put it in separate pictures around your house. It is a cute picture, but look at the end. He's running into her house, and then when he comes over here, he runs into her house and all her shit goes flying. It's pretty cute. And then here is the box. Here is the box. Now, I did see some people got real lucky. They got, one girl, she got a great big huge box. And she got a Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar. And I saw another girl got a Charlotte Tilbury gift set thing. So I've really seen some good stuff. Okay. Of course, mine kind of opened when I opened it out here. And I got the Visiart. And it seems like this year they did most of them pretty much close to the same. And last year they didn't. So these are the colors. And I do like Visiart. I got a little 6-pan one in there. And I've used the crap out of it. But these are their colors. I think that's supposed to be purple. No, it's a black. It's a black. Yeah, that didn't. There's the. This one seems a little dried out compared to mine. There's the colors for that one. It does seem a little dried out compared to mine, but oh well. What will we say? Okay, so there's that. Then I got Wayne Goss. I have been watching these all day yesterday. And this is pretty, usually they have a very wide variety. And this year they didn't seem like they did. It seemed like people got pretty much the same things. And I can't open this. Save my butt. Sometimes if you do the other end, There, I got it off the other end. Sometimes the other end's easier to open for some reason. Okay, this is Wayne Goss. Let's see what color it says. Does it say on here? It's hard to read. The High Shine Gloss. I can't read the color, but since I don't have anything on, let's try it. It's pretty thick formula. It's pretty thick formula. I just look so bad in neutrals because it washes me out. Okay, then you get Good Molecules Pimple Patches, which I don't use, so I will pass them to Char. And then I got Jupiter Scalp Moisturizer, which I do have psoriasis, so that might help it. I don't know. Then I got a Sonja G brush. These things are outrageous. They are outrageous. And let's see if it says on it what it is. It says it on here. No, it doesn't say it. It probably does. I just probably can't read it. But this is a good packer brush. It's a good all-over brush. But I heard, I'm not sure, but I heard these were made of squirrel hair. But she has very, very good brushes. And the last thing I got was Natasha Denona. And I only have one other Natasha Denona palette. So this is about $65, so this was most of my money right here. Now see, on the back of her palettes, they have these little holes, and you can poke them out, and this is what it looks like. If you see, you know, it's got waves in the top. But if you poke those out, you can just replace the colors you want to replace, instead of replacing the whole pan. That's that silver one in the middle. And here's just some of them, but she has a really good formula. She does. She's just expensive. And she's pretty expensive. Let's try this pink one. A lot of times on these glitters, you have to kind of get the crust off. I don't know why. But that's some of them. And that is my BeautyLish birthday present to me. Now, of course, you know, I probably should have got Jeffree Star, but I didn't. Because I knew, you know, this was stuff I didn't have. Because, you know, I'm a poor American. So anyway, come on back, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.